Good morning, students. In previous classes, chapter number 1 to 5, we discussed about the lithosphere, and now here start the atmosphere. It start the atmosphere. The stable here the all these here the particles that called the air. Then here the particles start to move. Particles start to move called the wind. We can also here the separate the wind and air. The staple here the particles that is wind that is air. Then here the speed and had the movement in the air, that is called the wind. And today we discuss about the chapter number 8, composition and structure of atmosphere. Composition and structure of atmosphere. And now that part of now the first part of this lesson, composition of atmosphere. Composition of atmosphere. Composition of atmosphere. Approx 99% of the total mass of the atmosphere is confined the height of from the earth from the surface. Surface से कितना approx 32 kilometer. Approx 32 kilometer. In the atmosphere, yeah, the composition of the atmosphere here the found many type of the gases, water vapor and the dust particle. Many here the gases, water vapor and dust particle. First we discuss about the gases. The many type of the gases elements found in atmosphere, and the air is requirement. Air is the compulsory for the survival human. The first is requirement of air and the second is water. हमें जीने के लिए सबसे जरूरी क्या है ना, air. In air particular here the oxygen, and last here the requirement here the water. सबसे पहले हमें air चाहिए, that after that water for the survival on the earth and creatures. Now here discuss about the gases. So many type of the gases found in atmosphere, like the nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, krypton, xenon, hydrogen. Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, krypton, xenon and hydrogen. Approx 78.8% part. Approx 78.8% part. Here nitrogen, the maximum gas found in the atmosphere is nitrogen, 78.8%. Number 2 is oxygen, 20.95%. Then here the argon 0.93%, CO2 carbon dioxide 0.036%, neon 0.002%, helium 0.005%, krypton 0.001%, xenon 0.0009% and the hydrogen 0.00005%. Clear? And here the oxygen found from the surface to the height approx कितना बताया 120 किलोमीटर ऑक्सीजन गैस फाउंड एंड द हाइट ऑफ अप्रोक्स 90 किलोमीटर here the CO2 gas found. CO2 gas found approx here the height 90 kilometer and the oxygen gas found approx here the height is 120 kilometer. So here different type of the gases found in the atmosphere. Different type of the gases found in the atmosphere. Here the stable gases, and here also the many type like here the ozone and the many other type of the gases also found in the atmosphere, and the gases percentage also changes. Like here the greenhouse effect, then here the pollution increase, then the CFC CO2 gases increase in the atmosphere and the directly affect on the oxygen gas. So many here the changes found in the gases. Clear? Now here water vapor. Water vapor also found in the composition, the main part of the composition of the atmosphere. The water vapor decrease with altitude. Water vapor decrease with altitude. What is here the altitude? What here the altitude? Then here यहाँ से जब सरफेस से हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, अपर साइड. देन हियर द वाटर वेपर डिक्रीज. जैसे जैसे हम ऊंचाई की तरफ जाते हैं, बढ़ते हैं ऊपर, है ना, द हियर वाटर वेपर डिक्रीज. वाटर वेपर की क्वांटिटी वो क्या हो जाएगी ना, डिक्रीज. यहाँ पे हियर द वाटर वेपर डिक्रीज टुवर्ड्स द एल्टीट्यूड. क्लियर? Then dry and the cold areas, here the total mass approx 1% water vapor. Total mass of the air, here the approx 1% water vapor found in the dry and the cold areas. Dry and cold areas, या dry and the cold region. Totally here the only 1% water vapor found, and the warm and the wet tropics region, here the approx 4% water vapor found in air masses. Clear? And here from equator to here equator to polar region, equator to polar region. What? Decrease the water vapor amount. Decrease the water vapor amount. 0 degree to 90 degree. 0 degree to 90 degree. Here the water vapor amount also decrease. Water vapor amount also decrease. And one here the special quality, absorb parts of the insolation. Insolation mean here the heat of the earth from the sun and freshen and preserve the अर्थ रेडिएशन हीट. जो अर्थ रेडिएशन की हीट है उसको प्रिजर्व करता है और जो क्या हो रहा है, अब्सॉर्ब द सन इंसोलेशन पार्ट. देन हियर द व्हाट हैपेंड, वर्क एज ए blanket and what was the result here, the neither to become too cold the earth, neither to become too cold and nor too hot. ये क्या कर रहा है, कंबल का ब्लैंकेट का वर्क कर रहा है. वर्क कैसे कर रहा है, हियर अंदर से क्या हो रहा है, देन हियर द प्रिजर्व द अर्थ रेडिएशन हीट, देन और अपर पार्ट से क्या हो रहा है, ऊपर से जो इंसोलेशन पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ, देन हियर वर्क एज ए ब्लैंकेट. जो पृथ्वी जो हमारी अर्थ उसको ना तो ज्यादा ठंडा होने देता है ना हियर द ज्यादा हॉट रहने देता है. देन हियर द अर्थ नाइदर टू बिकम टू कोल्ड नॉट टू हॉट. देन next are the dust particles. So dust particle also the part of the atmosphere, composition of atmosphere. In dust particle, here we discuss about the dust particle, like here the sea salt, fine soil, smoke soot, ash, pollen, dust and disintegration particles of the materials. Then have the materials totally scattered part in the atmosphere, also the part considered as a dust particle concerned in the lower layer of the earth. Or maximum have the dust particles found in lower layer of the earth. Upper part में क्या होगा, here the dust particle decrease towards the height, towards the altitude. ठीक है, concentrated in the lower layer of the atmosphere. Atmosphere की lower layer में नीचे, क्योंकि then here the weight in the dust particles, then here found in the lower layer of the earth. Dust and the salt particles act as hygroscopic nucleus. Hygroscopic nucleus ये क्या करते हैं, hygroscopic nucleus absorb here the water vapor, or after that condense and convert in clouds. Then here the rainfall. Then here the result. What was the result? Here the result is rainfall. The dust particles act as hygroscopic nucleus. और hygroscopic nucleus किसके लिए responsible होते हैं? For here the formation of clouds and the rainfall after the condensation. Clear? Here today we will discuss about the composition of the atmosphere. And the atmosphere generally found here the gases, water vapor and the dust particle. The maximum found the gas name is the nitrogen, and the requirement for the human and the all the creature on the earth is the oxygen gas, approx 20.95%, and the oxygen gas found till 120 kilometer, the height of 120 kilometer, and the CO2 carbon dioxide gas amount is approx 0.0336%, and the height approx 90 kilometer है. जो surface से 90 kilometer के अबाव जाते हैं ना, here CO2 found, after that 90 kilometer here the CO2 amount is not found. In the water vapor we discuss about the water vapor work as a blanket, act like a blanket earth neither to become too cold and nor too hot. Clear? And the dust particle like here the sea salt, fine soil, smoke soot, ash, dust and the disintegration particle of the materials. And the main uses of the dust particle, the hygroscopic nucleus. The dust and the salt particles act as a hygroscopic nucleus, and it is responsible for the formation of the clouds and rainfall.